These equations are magnesium reacting with gaining electrons to form magnesium solid, and you have the standard electrode potentials in front, followed by the one for zinc. Obtain the equation for the cell reaction. So when you are given such a question, the first thing you are supposed to do is to put the electrode potentials in a number line. Now, if this is 0, then because if this is 0 here, let us put the 0 here, 0.00 volts. That's the reference electrode for hydrogen. Then, which one is on the left hand side between negative 2.37 and negative 0.766? Yes, we'll be having on the left hand side negative 2.37 volts. That is on the left hand side. Then followed by which one? Negative 0.76 volts. So negative 0.76 volts belongs to zinc, while negative 2.37 belongs to magnesium. So it means magnesium will be undergoing oxidation. Are we together? While zinc will be undergoing reduction. So here we'll be having oxidation taking place, and here we are having what? Reduction taking place. What we need to understand is this. The values that we are having here, negative 2.37 and negative 0.76, are reduction potentials. They are what? Reduction potentials. They show the tendency of an element to gain electrons. So the one which is on the right hand side is having a greater tendency to gain electrons. So in this case, zinc will be gaining electrons. And what is gain of electrons? Reduction. So zinc will be undergoing reduction, whereby reduction refers to gain of electrons. While magnesium is having a greater tendency to lose electrons. Why? Because it is on the left hand side. So magnesium will be undergoing oil. What is oil? Oil is loss of electrons. Oxidation is loss of electrons. So we write now the two equations showing loss of electrons and gain of electrons. Are we together? Yes. So we start with the one which is losing electrons. Which one is losing electrons? Magnesium. So the equation that we are having is for gaining of electrons. So you write the equation in the opposite direction, showing now loss of what? Electrons. So you begin from magnesium, which is a solid. Now we make it to lose electrons. You reverse it like this. You form what? Magnesium ions plus what? 2 electrons. This is now oil. Loss of electrons. Are you seeing that? Yes. You reverse the equation. Now, the next part is for zinc. Now zinc is undergoing what? Reduction. So you maintain the equation the way it is because reduction refers to gaining of electrons. So the equation we are having is for gaining of electrons because the electrons are on the reactant side. So you write zinc plus 2 electrons. You form what? Zinc, which is a solid. This was a solution. And then this was reduction. Gain of electrons. Are we together? Now what do we do next? We now look at the two equations. How many electrons were lost? 2. How many were gained? 2. So we make sure the number of electrons that were lost and those which were gained are the same. So here 2 were lost and here again 2 were gained. Therefore, these electrons can now be omitted. So omit this and this. Then you sum the two equations. So sum what is on the reactant side, it will be what? Magnesium, which is a solid, plus zinc ions, a solution. You go to the arrow, which are the products? Magnesium ions in solution and zinc, which is a solid. And this is the overall cell in question.